Did Samsung's new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro just hit a major snag, or is the issue already fixed? Stick around to find out what went wrong and why you might want to grab a pair now. Samsung paused shipments due to a silicone tip issue but has now resolved it. Shipments are back on track in Europe and the US, so check your pre-orders or snag a pair if you missed out. So, here's the scoop. Samsung launched the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro just last month, and excitement was through the roof. However, things hit a snag when early adopters reported a critical issue: the silicone tip plastic was breaking. Imagine unboxing your brand new earbuds only to find out they're not living up to the hype. This led Samsung to hit pause on all shipments and sales while they tackled the problem head-on. But here's the silver lining: Samsung has officially resolved the issue and is back in business. Shipments of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are now resuming in both Europe and the United States. That's right, the wait is over for those who pre-ordered and have been anxiously checking their audio accessory status. And if you were on the fence about pre-ordering, now might be the perfect time to jump in. According to Samsung representatives, the problem stemmed from quality control. They've now tightened their processes to ensure that each unit meets their high standards before it reaches your hands. This is great news for everyone who's been eagerly waiting. For those who might need a refresher, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro features a sleek new design with stems. Samsung likes to call them blades, and cool LED strips running down them. It's a design that's both stylish and functional, promising an immersive audio experience with a touch of futuristic flair. So, there you have it. Samsung has turned a rough start into a smooth sailing experience for Galaxy Buds 3 Pro fans. Make sure to check your order status or grab a pair if you haven't already. Hit the link in the description below to get yours now. And if you want to dive deeper into the latest tech trends, check out the video on the screen. See you there.